This is my lovely plantain frittata, and this is what I'm going to show you how to make today. And if this is your first time visiting this channel, just to let you know you're welcome, and I'm happy to have you guys. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification. So stay tuned. Let me show you how to make this beautiful plantain frittata. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, delicious, and tasty plantain frittata. And this is my way of doing it. Here I have a ripe plantain. So I'm going to go ahead and take the bottom and the top off. Just take your knife and just run it through like so. And we're just going to take the skin off. You can use two or you can use one. One is enough for me. And I'm going to cut it like so. You don't need to cut it long side. You can just go ahead and slice it. So just take your time. You can either cut it from this angle or you can go to this angle and cut it. Just go ahead and slice it. But how you slice it still is personal preference. So just go ahead. So what I'm going to do with this, I cut them like this because it's going to be easier to cook. And then I'll take you through the next process. So on this side, I have some oil here. So I'm just going to gently put them in. Just make sure you have one of this, or you can use a fork. Just gently turn them. So that's a starting process of making a potato. You get these out the way first, and then we go to the next stage. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take out some of the one that's already cooked and just set them aside like so. And we're just going to put the balance in. So our plantain is fried. I'm using 5 eggs to make this lovely frittata. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to whisk them together. So I'm going to give it a bit of whisk. I'm going to set this aside. Okay. This is one of the important part now. In here, I have some all-purpose season, include some black pepper, spring onion, diced tomato, fresh leeks, and some garlic. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to saute these off, and then I'll take you through the process. Stay tuned. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to saute these off. Not only that, I have some smoked sausage I'm going to add to this. So here I have some diced smoked sausage. All of this is personal preference. Go ahead and add it in. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit of season for this. And also, I'm going to add some butter just to give it a bit of flavor. Just give it a rub along the side here. So now we're going to pour our egg mixture over this. And we're going to season again. Now I'm just going to give it a little bit of pushback, because normally a lot of people would put this in the oven, but with this, I'm not going to put it in the oven. All of this is personal preference. So just follow me slowly and take your time, and we'll get there. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get the plantain and I'm going to gently put him around. Make layers around this. Cooking is hard and good food take time. It's going to be lovely. If this video of any help to you guys, please do remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. It's all about positivity. Nothing negative here. It's going to be delicious. As you see there. So at this point, just reduce the flame. What we're going to do, we're going to put a lid over this. Just cover them like so. So at this point, we're going to give it a check. We're going to remove that. We're going to put a little bit of seasoning, just a bit more all-purpose over this. And, you know, personal preference. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese. You don't have to. Personal preference. We're going to cover it back. So at this point, we're going to turn the gas off. remove that, and we're going to let it relax a bit. Put a little bit more spring onion on the top over here, and a bit of, going to finish it off with some fresh coriander. So we're going to let him cool now. That's what they look like.